Challenges are a part of the job. So you always sit with a lot of challenges. You have disruptions, you have outages, you have a lot of things that you need to um, you know adapt to as these things come your way. But I think through the years with experience and how can I say, the knowledge that you have, you're actually able to handle all this and manage this. And I also have a great team, with me as well.
Mm,
So the team is quite strong. They've been around for quite some time, some of them of the younger generation, some in the older generation.
mm,
And I think that makes it very dynamic at the end of the day. So, younger generation people think different than the older generation. It's always good to tap on that knowledge and experience that they have in their field. So just to mention, like a young lady that started now out of university in my team, and we actually learn a lot from her because we get the feeling of how young youth think and how they communicate and what they do, and you get a different perspective on how to manage and do